We're here today at the Mohawk Valley Living Office, and I am here with Michael San Giacomo. Hi, Michael.
Hi, how are you today, Carrie?
Good, thank you. Thanks for coming. Michael's a design consultant with New York Sash. And Michael, you know, it's been getting chillier, and I keep on pumping up the heat here, but it's not totally working. So can you tell me kind of what's going on with my windows?
Yeah, so we come out, we do like a free health checkup, so to speak, take a look at the windows. This home was built in 1940s. So it looks like most of the windows are original to the home. They have your traditional 1/8-inch piece of glass with a storm over it. So what we do is when we come out, we will test to show you currently basically the heat leaving the window.
Okay.
So what I'm going to show you here is our heat lamp test. So what this will do is it'll show you exactly what you have going on at your house or your office. What I'll do is I will put up our, your existing window. This is your traditional clear glass, and then we'll just show you. So this BTU meter, I have it set at 350.
Okay.
It's just solar, it's just heat coming out of the glass. So you'll notice that really doesn't drop much, does it, Carrie?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
All right, so I feel the heat on this side tremendously.
Yeah, so this is what you currently have. As you
Wow.
can see, you wonder why it's not too warm in your office.
This is the inside of my office, this is the outside, the heat's coming out. I feel
Correct.
it. Yeah, that's crazy. Wow.
Yeah, so now what I'll show you is our New York Sash. So this is our double pane, full argon gas. And you're gonna see the quality as soon as I put this in front of you.
Dropped all the way down. All right, let's feel. Nothing. So all that heat is now staying inside the house.
Correct.
Yeah, it feels nothing's there at all.
So in the winter, you're gonna notice your heating costs are gonna lower, and then in the summer, you're gonna notice that your house will stay nice and cool because the air is not leaving the window.
That's amazing.
All right, well now the next step, let's go test your windows.
All right, let's do it.
Carrie, all right, let's hold up the lamp and see what you have. All right, so the heat is coming right through this window. The meter is off the charts.
That's insane. Wow, I cannot believe how inefficient these windows are. So what does New York Sash have that can help me keep all this heat in this winter?
Yeah, so what I have today to show you it's a corner cut of what our frame is to show you that we offer R32 insulation throughout the sash and the frame. Another feature that we have is our DuraEdge climate technology. So this is where you seal any argon gas in the window. Okay. And what argon gas is going to give you your efficiency. Another feature that we also offer at Sash is in order to keep the seals strong, we have these large chambers, right? So we get a lot of warm cold, right? So a lot of times homeowners will notice that their windows are inefficient at this time of year, right? So like today's a perfect example.
Yes.
It's probably 27 degrees out, 30 degrees out now. Later in the day, it's going to heat up to about 50. One thing we noticed in the market change recently is the increase in energy costs. So this winter, as you prepare and you're trying to budget your heating, your electric and heating bill, part of the technology in the New York Sash windows is going to tremendously lower your heating costs.
That's amazing.
Part of the features in the window and then the proper installation, you're going to notice day one that New York Sash windows are put in that your heating bill will lower.
So what happens if you're installing in the middle of winter? I mean, it's cold out today, but what if it gets really cold or it's snowing or the temperature really turns?
Yeah, when it comes to windows, you really can install them, at any time.
Okay.
Let's just say it is, typical of the weather where, we're getting a little bit of snow. We will seal up the open window when we take it out so that you're not losing, heat loss. But our guys work so efficiently that, we don't have any issues with that. We've been doing this a long time, so we know how to prepare the job for the proper installation.
So even those few hours where the house may be a little bit cooler, you're going to end up keeping a lot more heat in for the rest of the winter by getting it done.
Correct. I mean, that's the end goal, is to provide your home with efficiency, proper installation of the window, and then, of course, the New York Sash lifetime guarantee.
So how does the process work at New York Sash? I make the phone call, you're obviously out here testing the windows. What happens next?
Yeah, so from there, what we do is we at New York Sash offer custom-made windows per opening. So to make sure that we are doing exactly what we need to do when our guys show up for the install, we do a pre-construction meeting where our master measure tech will come out. He'll get an exact measurement on the windows. So when the guys show up first thing in the morning and they're prepping for the job, they know that every window is going to fit properly.
Right.
Another thing that we do that sets us apart from the competition is that we have our installers that are master mechanics. They get here first thing in the morning, they set up, they will talk to the homeowner, let them know, what they're going to do, the process, constantly keep them aware of what they're doing. Another thing that sets us apart is when we get to a job, we're going to get the job completed the day of.
Wow.
When it comes to windows, depending on the size of the project.
Michael, thank you so much for coming out today. I'm excited to get started on this project, but for viewers at home, how can they find out more information, about getting their windows replaced?
If you're interested in having New York Sash come out and take a look at your windows and offer you a free estimate, you can come to our showroom or you can go online at our website and we will set up a time for us to come out.
Michael, thanks so much for coming out today. I'm so excited to get working on this project. I really appreciate all of your help. And that's it from the Mohawk Valley Living office.